Solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. Now eliminating, it means removing. Whom to remove? Out of two variables, we have to choose any one to whom we can remove. Okay. Now there are some criteria. Either we can remove x or we can remove y, but under two conditions. What were those conditions? Their sign should be negative. The
Opposite.
sign should be negative of in both the equation of the same variable, along with the same variable, right? And along with that, their coefficient is they must be similar. Fine, coefficient must be similar and they must have opposite sign. Simple, I should say this thing. Okay, let's understand this nicely with this example. The question 1, it's the first question is x plus y equal to 5. This is the first equation, and second equation we are given is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. You will damn sure find it easy. Look at your screen and just try to understand. See, this is result number 1. This we call equation number 1 and equation number 2. We call it equation 1 and equation 2 in the beginning only. Okay. Now focus on opposite signs. Which variable is having opposite sign you are finding here? Of course, you will say mem y, because here it is plus and this is minus. This is plus and this is minus. So y variable is having opposite sign. So focus, fully focused on that variable only. Now it is final. We are going to eliminate y from here. Clear? Remember the variable which is having opposite sign. Now, but as I told you, the coefficient should be similar. Okay, with the opposite sign. But here you can see it is 3y. But here is only y. So if I multiply this equation number 1 with 3, then automatically this will be 3y. Fine. But remember, dear student, while multiplying, be careful. We need not have to multiply only the required terms, but we need to multiply with this and this also. Okay, means full equation will be multiplied by 3, and that we need to mention in words also. So we need to write here multiplying equation number 1 by 3. Simple. So if I multiply with this 3, then I will have here 3x plus here 3 into y, 3y, and 5 3 15. Let me call this is newly formed equation, so it is equation number 3 now. And 2 is already there, so let me write it as it is without doing any changes. It remains same equation 2. Now what we are going to do? We are adding both the equation. When already we are having both the equations in that the variable are in opposite sign, then simply add. Okay. So in such a case, what we have to do? This will cancel automatically. Plus 3y minus 3y, opposite sign, cancel. 3x plus 2x, it gives the result 5x. 15 plus 4, here it will be equal to sign. 15 plus 4 is 19. Therefore, next step we need to write 5x equal to 19. We need not have to write anything here. Therefore, x equal to 19 upon 5. So, let me keep this in a box. Now this result we are going to put in any of the equation. Here in substitution method we have learnt we have to choose the another second equation or a whatever leftover equation, in that we are putting the value. But for elimination method, you are free to apply the value of x in any of this equation. I think first equation is easy. In that, let's put the value of x. So in place of x in this equation, I am writing 19 by 5 plus y equal to 5. Very simple. Now let me make your work easiest. Here you know very well, nothing means 1, nothing means 1. So take the LCM. So here we need to multiply with 1. 19 1 ja 19. Here we need to multiply with 5. So 5 into y, that is 5y. Here also with 5. So 5 5 ja 25. Clear? Therefore, next step, 5y equal to, therefore sign is compulsory, 25 minus 19. We know that 25 minus 19 gives the result 6. Therefore, y equal to 6 by 5. So, final answer, I should say, of the linear equation, it has two solutions. The final answer is called, it's a solution. So, we need to mention the answer is x equal to 19 by 5 and of course y equal to 6 by 5. So, this is required result by elimination method. 0.4, question number 1. In that we have to apply elimination method. Okay, this is the second question of the same exercise. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Second equation is 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Okay, let me call this is equation number 1. As we know that the word elimination, as I already explained you, elimination word itself indicate to eliminate, to remove. Okay, whom to remove? We have two variables. Which are they? Either x or y. Out of these two variables, any one we have to remove. And there are two conditions. Under that condition, we have to work out upon them. First condition, the sign must be opposite. Now just be a keen observer and just try to find which variable is having the opposite sign. So you can say this is plus 4y minus 2y. They both are in opposite sign here. So what we have to do? In this case, we need to make this coefficient similar. Okay. So in that, if you are keen observer, then we'll able to say that easily. The first equation we need to multiply with 1 and second equation we need to multiply with 2. So that here we will have 1 4 ja 4 and 2 2 ja 4. It satisfies our condition. Now we need to mention it also here in centers, multiplying equation number 1 by 1 and equation number 2 by, okay. So what will be the result? Let's see. If we multiply with 1, then this equation will remain same. No changes. So let's say that is 1 only. Equation 1. This equation, when we are multiplying by 2, the whole equation we need to multiply. All the terms, okay? So we know 2 2 ja 4x, 2 2 ja 4y, 2 2 ja 4. Let's say this is equation number 2. Clear to you? Now, as you know, beta, here we need to add, because reason behind that, this both the variable with the coefficient with opposite sign, it will be cancelled. We know plus 4y minus 4y cancel. Now 3x plus 4x gives the result 7x. This side 10 plus 4 equal to 10 plus 4 gives the result 14. Therefore, 7x equal to 14. No need to mention anything because here it is 0y. So no need to write it over there. So x equal to 14 by 7. Therefore, x equal to, if we cancel, then the value of x will be fine. This is very important result. Now this result we are going to put in equation number. We need to write here. Put the value of x in equation number 1 we are putting. It's not necessary here that you need to put it in 2. In any of the equation, you are free to put this value. So, our equation 1 is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Okay. In this equation, I am going to put the value. Therefore, 3. In place of x, here I will put the value. This is 4y equal to 10. What is the value of x? Here already we got, that is 2. So I am writing it here. Here. So 3 2 ja, I am doing the rest of the work here. 3 2 ja 6. Therefore 3 2 ja 6 plus 4y equal to 10. Clear? So next step, I have to bring this 6 to transposing to 6 that side. So it gives the result 10 minus 6. Therefore, it is 4. Therefore, y equal to 4 by 4. 4 by 4, what is the answer? Therefore, y equal to, after cancelling this, 1 is the answer. So, final answer I am writing here for your better understanding. The value of x equal to 2 and the value of y equal to 5. That is the procedure elimination method. Clear?